I've got the Galaxy A17 5G, and I'm going to show you how to change the region and time zone on this phone manually. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So swipe up and go to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll down to general management, tap on that, and then under that, you should see the option date and time. So tap on that, and then from here, first of all, you want to turn off automatic date and time. Now that allows you to change the date and time manually. And then also you have automatic time zone. So you can turn off that automatic time zone and then select the different time zone you want to change to. So for instance, I have this region. You can choose a time zone from a different region. For instance, Belgium, you can choose that and use that as your time zone manually. So that is basically how to do that. Thanks for watching and good luck.